Good afternoon, guys. This is Kyle, the Grayman Prepper. First off, I wanted to apologize for taking so long between my videos, but I've been kind of sick the past couple of weeks, so I haven't really felt like doing anything. And today's kind of been the first day that I've actually felt like doing anything, so the video I wanted to do for you guys today is my buddy Chris Tanner from Prepare Mind 101 did a video on his spring EDC, everyday carry. Now, my EDC doesn't really change with the seasons, and it really doesn't change that much, but since it's been a long time since I've posted a new EDC video, I figured it was time to kind of update you guys. So let me turn this camera around and we'll get started. Okay, guys, so the first thing that I always carry, and it's always important, it's the most important item that I carry, is my knife. This is the Spyderco Tenacious. It's a very sharp knife. It's one I use every single day, and I don't know if I could go a day without it, honestly. The next most important thing I carry, and this is something I use at work all the time. I work in a grocery store, so that should kind of tell you. But that is my Streamlight ProTech MicroStream. I've had several EDC flashlights until I found this one, and this one, it's just a single AAA, but it only has I forget how many lumens. I'll put that on the screen. But this light works perfectly. And then next thing is I don't actually carry a wallet per se. I used to, but considering what I usually need doesn't require a whole lot, I quit carrying a wallet, and now I just carry this. This is just a little card holder. Sorry, guys. That was made for me by the GearNut. Sorry. I'm sorry about that, guys. This was made for me by GearNut, and it's just a simple carbon fiber Kydex card holder. And then I also carry a secondary blade on me, because you can never have too many blades, obviously. And that is the Hold Steel Mini Pal. And I keep this mainly as a letter opener, but it's a good defensive little knife. And then on my keys, I carry the Exotech pill container. This I keep matches in. Just straight matches. And then I keep the striker in there as well. And this is the Exotech Nano Striker. So I always have a way of making fire on me at all times. And then kind of really the second most important thing that I carry is my leather belt. And the reason this is important is because I have strop compound ingrained into kind of the end of it. So all I had to do is just pull out a little bit of my belt and I could keep my knives razor sharp. And the reason that's very important is because in a survival situation or whatever, your knife is your lifeline. And if you can't keep that sharp, forget it. There's that will really diminish your survival capabilities. And then of course, the one thing that everyone has nowadays is a smartphone. Mine is just the Samsung Droid. It's nothing really special. It's just a simple little phone, and I keep it in an OtterBox case. My team is the Philadelphia Eagles, obviously, and this is just a simple $5 ring from Walmart, and this is a good kickstand. It you can hold your phone with it, so you don't have to hold on to the phone itself. You can just hold on to the ring. And I've actually accidentally dropped this down the stairs and the phone was still okay. So that's a testament to their quality. And then the last thing I always carry is my lucky coin. This is a Gates Aviation Decisionometer. But I found that this is a really lucky coin. And so that's all of my EDC. Like I said, my EDC really doesn't change that much between the seasons because I usually find the gear that I like and I stick with it. Now I might change up folders or something like that, but things really don't change that much. And the pants that I normally wear are Wrangler, I want to say, I forget how many pockets, but they're cargo pants, and they're really low profile as far as gray man goes because they don't really stand out, but they are extremely useful, especially with the job that I have. You carry all sorts of gear, all the stuff I need for work. So I want to thank you guys again for sticking with me. I want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and share this with your friends and family. And hopefully next time I'll be coming to you from the Wolf Customs gathering. So this is Kyle, the Gray Man Prepper. Until next time, catch you on the flip side.